Your ticket just got solved, but did your follow-up workflow actually run? Most Zendesk admins discover trigger failures the hard way. A customer asks why they never received a survey, or a manager finds out about a critical issue 3 days after it closed. This guide shows you exactly how to build triggers that fire when tickets are solved or closed, and how to make sure they never miss. Trigger logic errors are silent. The system runs, the ticket closes, and the follow-up never happens. CSAT surveys go to the wrong customers, manager alerts skip urgent tickets, and post-resolution workflows run out of order, all without any error message to tell you something went wrong. Solved and closed sound similar but behave completely differently in Zendesk. A solved ticket can still be reopened if the customer replies, and agents can still edit fields and comments. A closed ticket is permanently locked, so if a customer replies to it, Zendesk creates a brand new follow-up ticket instead of reopening the original. Triggers evaluate on every ticket update, including the transition from open to solved and from solved to closed. By default, Zendesk closes solved tickets after 4 days, but you can set that window anywhere from 1 hour to 28 days, depending on how long customers typically need to respond. Before you open the admin panel, confirm 4 things are in place. You need admin access to the admin center, a clear picture of your ticket workflow, a specific single goal for each trigger you plan to build, and a plan for trigger ordering since they run sequentially from top to bottom. Vague goals produce broken triggers. Head to Admin Center, then Objects and Rules, then Business Rules, then Triggers. You will land on a list of all your existing triggers in the exact order they run. Zendesk ships with several default triggers already in place, like notifying requesters when their ticket status changes. Click Add Trigger in the top right corner and give it a name that explains what it does without having to open it. Something like Send CSAT survey when solved, or Notify manager on urgent ticket close. Add a description too, so other admins understand why the trigger exists months from now. Under Meet all of the following conditions, add Ticket, Status, Is, Solved. Use all conditions when every requirement must be true before the trigger fires. Use any when at least one option is enough. Getting this logic right is where most trigger failures start. Under Actions, pick what happens when your conditions are met. For a CSAT trigger, select Email User, then Requester, and write your feedback request with the satisfaction rating placeholder. You can also add tags for reporting, email a group to alert managers, or call a webhook to push data to an external system. Triggers for closed tickets follow the same setup steps but with one hard constraint. You cannot modify a closed ticket. Focus your actions on notifications and webhooks only. Always place your closed ticket triggers after your solved ticket triggers in the list so the sequence runs correctly. 4 patterns handle the majority of post-resolution workflows. Send a CSAT survey only to customers who have not been asked yet. Alert managers when high-priority tickets close. Prevent integration writebacks from accidentally reopening solved tickets. And tag follow-up tickets to track how often customers need to reopen issues after closure. If manually configuring trigger conditions and debugging logic every time a workflow breaks sounds like too much overhead, eesel AI offers a different approach. It learns from your existing tickets, macros, and helps Center to handle CSAT surveys, follow-up emails, and manager notifications based on actual context, not hard-coded rules. Connect it directly to your Zendesk instance without changing anything else in your setup. Stop spending hours building trigger logic for every new post-resolution workflow. Try eesel AI free for 7 days and let it handle your follow-ups automatically. No credit card required.